This is the lessons for lesson number 2 for Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi. Paul Recorder asked us to finish hooking up the liquid crystal or LED. And if you look here, you can see that I've got the LED hooked up with a 1K resistor, and I've got it connected from the 1K resistor to pin 13. I'm covering that up because it's so bright. Now what I do here is first of all define what makes a Morse code. I call a unit 250 milliseconds. A DIT equals 1 unit. A DA equals 3 units. Character space equals 1 unit. And word space equals 7 units. Now if you go down in code here, I define the pin for the LED pin. And then a void loop. I set up some for loops to set up the S. Here's the S letter. I go through this 3 times to blink it 3 times. Then I have here a character space for delay. It's between the characters, and then the letter O, which is 3 dashes or DAs. And then we get down here on the very last, and another space between the O and the S, and then we have another S, which is 3 DITs. Then a word display, word space, which is 7 units. Okay, look, I've got it running now. You can see it's DITs. Okay, now it's starting. DIT, 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 da, 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 DIT, 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 DIT. Okay, and there's my homework. Yeah, not real fancy, but it'll do it. Thanks.